Hello everybody, here's your video for this week just to explain all about the tasks we've got going on this week and some additional information. So, as always, beach class, you'll be in the beginning of the week, so you'll be in Monday, Tuesday next week, and we will try and get sessions 1, 2 and 3 done. Sometimes we manage to get session 4 as well. So then when you're at home, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all you'll need to do is the writing, and this week it will be a story. Large class, you're in on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so the days you're at home, Monday and Tuesday this week, you need to write your character description, which will be finishing off last week's lessons. Okay, so you need to write your character description from last week's lessons and send it to Miss Lowe or the teachers that you're in school with. Okay, because then when you're in school Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you'll be doing lessons 1, 2 and 3 of the story, this week's lessons, okay? So then you keep going on to your Monday, Tuesdays when you're at home are writing the task following the lessons you've done in school. I hope that's clear. We've just sort of tweaked that slightly to make sure that we're all doing the same thing. Okay, so just to talk you through this week's English lessons. So again, Monday we'll have a reading lesson on comparison again. And Tuesday, a reading lesson on prediction. So same as last week, building on those skills. And then Wednesday, we'll be looking at the key features of a story. That's our focus this week. So that we can then plan a story and you'll be writing your own story this week. And that would be using the character that you were thinking about last week. So you've already got a bit of an idea of what or who might be included in that story. Okay, so that's English. Maths, we've actually moving on to something new this week. So I know some people have felt actually, lots of the things we've been doing have been revising topics that we have already looked at in school. It's always good to go over those because some of us have had quite a big break from being in school, and actually revising those topics, especially some of on the White Rose worksheet. Some of the questions on the second page are still quite challenging because they're making you reason and problem solve with those different elements of maths. But this week we're going to be moving on to Monday, find a rule, Tuesday, forming expressions, Wednesday, substitution, Thursday, solving simple one-step equations, and then Friday there's a challenge day. Okay, so those words probably don't make any sense to you at the moment, which is absolutely fine. But that's a whole new area of maths that we haven't looked at yet, so that's quite exciting. Bit of algebra for you. Then the wider curriculum, like I say, these are your choice if you're at home, what days you do them, and in school we'll do as many as we can on the days we're in school. So there's an art, a geography, a science, a PSHE, and continuing with our Spanish. Okay? And I just have one final challenge or task for you. Now, I'm not going to say too much about this, I'm going to be quite mysterious, but what I would like you to have a think about is, can you think of a song that you like, that you're enjoying, that's maybe been a song of the year, of your year 6, that lots of your peers enjoy, so a song that you would be happy to sing to, perhaps, or a song that you'd be happy to do a dance to. So I just want you to get your thinking caps on. I'm not going to say much more about this yet, but as you can see, there's sort of my mind is whirring and I've got a plan in place. So any suggestions, please can you either email Miss Lowe or myself. Just send us your suggestions of a song that you would be happy to sing to, that you think everyone would enjoy, or a song that you'd be happy to dance to that's got either already got some dance moves set to it, or one that you think you could actually create your own. Okay, so there's a bit of a challenge for you. I'd love to hear from you. The more you contribute, the more we get your input, and I won't choose for you. Okay, lovely to see some of you in school this week, and those at home. I've managed to have maybe a phone call with you, or this week we might have a Teams meeting, which I know you've had a letter about. So I look forward to those as well.